In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Creative Cloud Desktop safely. Whether you're stepping away from a shared computer or troubleshooting a licensing issue, logging out properly helps protect your files, your account, and your settings. I'll walk you through the process in simple terms and share a few helpful tips so you can sign out with confidence. Before you begin, make sure your creative work is saved in any Adobe apps you've been using, like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or Illustrator. If you use cloud documents or libraries, give Creative Cloud a moment to finish syncing. Watch for the sync indicator to complete, so nothing is left pending. It's also a good idea to ensure you're connected to the internet. That way, the sign out can register immediately across your devices. First, open the Creative Cloud desktop app. On Windows, you can find it from the Start menu. On macOS, look in your Applications folder or click the Creative Cloud icon in the menu bar. If you don't see it right away, search your computer for Creative Cloud and launch the desktop app. Once it's open, you'll be looking at the main Creative Cloud home, where you can manage apps, fonts, and updates. Next, look to the top right corner of the Creative Cloud window for your profile icon. This might appear as your avatar, initials, or generic user silhouette. Click that icon to open your account menu. This menu is where you can view your account details, check your plan, and most importantly for today, access the sign out option. Now, click Sign Out. You may be asked to confirm, and in some cases, you'll see a brief message about what signing out means. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. Once you sign out, your Adobe apps remain installed, and your local files stay on your computer, but you'll need to sign back in to use Creative Cloud services, access synced libraries, and activate fonts. Your cloud documents are still safe in your account. They just won't be accessible on this device until you sign in again. If you are on a shared or public computer, this step ensures others can't access your subscriptions or files. That's it. You've safely logged out of Creative Cloud Desktop. When you're ready to return, simply open the Creative Cloud app and sign in with your Adobe credentials. Thanks for watching, and remember, taking a few extra seconds to sign out properly keeps your work secure and your account protected.